How to update AMD graphics drivers. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to update AMD graphics drivers. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once you're inside, simply type or click on the search bar and simply type AMD Adrenalin download and simply search for it. And now here on the search result, simply click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the AMD drivers. So here, as you can see on this interface, you simply have to click on this button that says download software. And now here on the new page, you simply have to scroll down and there you simply have to click on download Windows drivers. And now here, once you click on it, it will run and install the AMD drivers installer in your Windows. And here, once you have downloaded that, you simply have to locate that installer and open it in the window. And now here, once you have located that, simply double click on it. And now here, once you click on it, the installer will open. Now here, you just have to wait for some time and after that, it will open the AMD software installer. Now here you simply have to install it by clicking on this option and after that you simply have to wait until the installation completes. And after some time, once the installation completes, then you can simply click on restart and after that you can simply restart your PC. And now once you have restarted your PC, then what you can do is simply open the Adrenalin Edition software and after that you can simply go to the Home tab. And now here, once you are inside the Home tab, simply find the driver and software section and there if an update is available then you can simply click on download and after download you can simply click on install and once you're done with that you can simply restart when prompted. And once you do that, and once your computer restarts again, then you will have the updated AMD graphics drivers. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.